Hi, welcome back to Passion Bistro. Today in this video, I will be teaching you how to make Seekh Kebab. Seekh Kebab is a type of kebab popular in South Asia, made with spiced minced or ground meat, usually of lamb, beef or chicken, formed into cylinders on skewers and grilled. It is typically cooked on a mangal or barbecue or in a tandoor. Here I'll be teaching you how to make them at home in a pan. Let's get started. With just a few ingredients, you have a delicious kebab treat ready for your loved ones. Here I have 500 grams of mutton minced with 10% fat. I'm adding in 1 medium finely minced onion, to which I have added 1/4 teaspoon of salt and let it for 10 minutes. Once it releases all its moisture, I squeezed it dry and I'm adding it to mutton minced. Then goes in 1 bunch of finely chopped fresh coriander leaves, 6 finely chopped spicy green chilies, 2 large flakes of garlic minced, 1½ teaspoon of red chili powder, 1½ teaspoon of salt, 25 grams or 1 stick of unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon of freshly milled pepper, and 1½ teaspoon of ZAFRANI garam masala, the recipe of which can be found in the description below or in the card above your screen right now. I'm going to mix it thoroughly so that all the flavors of the spices get infused in the minced meat. Leave it to marinate for at least 2 hours in a cool place or in the refrigerator during the hot season. It has been marinating for 2 hours now, so it's time to make the kebabs. Make a large lemon-sized ball of the marinated mutton mince. Here I have got 8 portions from 500 grams of mutton mince. To make the kebabs, we will require skewers like this. If you do not have them, no worries. I will teach you to make them with the thin skewers or the shashlik sticks. To make this, we need 4 thin skewers or shashlik sticks. Secure them with a sticky tape at both the ends and the center. Here I have taken a long piece of aluminium foil and I am going to wrap these taped skewers in the foil like this. Now we have the skewer ready to make the Seekh Kebab. Take 1 portion of the marinated kebab mixture. I have greased my palm with some oil. First I'll shape them into oval kebab, occasionally wetting my hand in the chilled water. Now slip the skewer in the oval kebab and begin to shape it on the skewer. Now make the kebab marks with the help of your thumb and the middle finger. The kebabs are ready to be grilled. I will be making rest of the kebab in the same manner. Grease the grill pan. And place the seekh kebab on it and let it cook on medium heat for about 6 to 7 minutes. Turn the skewer and cook again for about 6 to 7 minutes. Baste the kebabs with oil and fry until done. Serve hot with tandoori naan, khubz or pita bread, onion rings, lemon wedges and a complete platter of mezze. The link of complete platter of mezze can be found in the description below or in the card above your screen right now. Here we have come to the end of yet another recipe. Hope you liked it. Be sure to drop a like on this video and do consider subscribing for more recipes and cooking tips. Until next time, stay safe, eat healthy.